In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Samsung Phone to pay. First, let's begin by setting up your Samsung Wallet. You will need to find the Samsung Wallet app on your phone. This app is usually found on your home screen or in the app drawer. Once you have located the app, tap on it to open it. This is the starting point for managing all your payment methods securely. The Samsung Wallet is a crucial tool that simplifies the payment process and keeps your financial information organized. Once the app is open, the next step is to sign in to your Samsung account. If you already have an account, simply enter your credentials. This may involve inputting your email address and password. If you do not have an account yet, you'll need to create one by following the prompts. Signing in establishes a secure link to your wallet, allowing you to access your payment information seamlessly. After signing in, you will feel a sense of security knowing your information is protected. Next, tap on the button that says Get Started. This prompts the app to prepare your wallet for use. On your screen, you will see a series of instructions guiding you through the setup process. This step is essential because it lays the groundwork for your wallet, ensuring everything is configured correctly for future transactions. Now you will need to create a PIN or use your fingerprint for security. This step adds an extra layer of protection to your wallet. Choose a PIN that is easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. Alternatively, if your phone supports fingerprint recognition, using your fingerprint can make accessing your wallet even faster and more secure. This is important because it keeps your account secure and ensures that only you can access your payment methods. After setting your security method, tap on Add to begin adding your payment cards. You will see options to add various types of cards. This step is crucial as it allows you to link your credit or debit cards to your Samsung Wallet, making future payments quick and easy. Adding cards is a straightforward process, and it will save you time later when making purchases. Next, tap on Payment Cards. This will give you the option to either scan your card using your phone's camera or enter the card details manually. If you choose to scan, position your card so that it fits within the frame displayed on your screen. The app will automatically capture the details. If you prefer to enter your card information manually, carefully input the card number, expiration date, and CVV. This makes sure your changes are saved and ensures that your payment information is entered correctly. After you have entered the card details, it's time to verify your card with your bank. This may involve receiving a verification code via text message or email. Follow the prompts on your screen to complete this step. Verification is vital as it confirms that you are the rightful owner of the card. This ensures that your payments will be processed smoothly without any issues in the future. Finally, wait for the card to be added. The app will notify you once the process is complete. You may see a confirmation message or a check mark indicating that your card has been successfully added. This final step is crucial because it confirms that you are ready to make payments using your Samsung Wallet. Now that your wallet is set up, you can enjoy the convenience of paying with your Samsung phone.